I'll make it all come true.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the MacBook Air. Last night my mom bought the MacBook Air, and it was a good deal because we got free headphone beats. And let's go unbox it. You can see the MacBook. It's a 13-inch MacBook Air. Let's go unbox it. Okay, we'll unbox it. Okay, open it. Put it to the side. Whoa! That's cool. Okay, we're gonna open it. We're gonna put the MacBook to the side. You see the instruction. So these are the instructions. Have Apple stickers. The manual. All these are manual. These are English and Arabic. Now we have the cube. We're gonna open the charger.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, we're gonna put just the charger aside and look at the computer. So we have all these things in different language. Just open it. Here's the MacBook Pro. And the paper. And that's done. On. That's cool. You can see the music.
So we finished setting up all of the stuff you require to set up, and this is the news update. You can see this, the background is Mount Catalina. We're in news update. Catalina news update. You can see right here. macOS Catalina version 10.15.4. You can see all the specs. MacBook Air 13-inch 2017, 1 GHz dual core Intel Core i5, 8GB memory, 1067 MHz stuff. Now the MacBook is very smooth. I think it's very smooth for its cheap price. It's, yeah, I can see it's very smooth. I won't prefer it to play games because it's going to heat up. I'm going to show you if what happens when it heats up. Like, it's very loud sound of a fan. So yeah, and this is the newest MacBook Pro, not the MacBook Air, but so let's see it. I got my mouse, my Logitech mouse, plug into that and play some games and see when it heats up. I'll show you how it heats up. So I'm playing some Zomrails and you can barely hear the fan. You can hear it a little bit. That's the fan. So yeah. So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy today's video unboxing MacBook. Thank you for 60 subscribers, and that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more video. See you guys next video. Bye.